Hello, this is Akil Gunapatula for Lab 4 EGR 212. I'm going to be explaining how Lab 4 works, which is basically all 15 switches are the inputs, and each set of 4 inputs controls each output for the 7-segment display. So the goal for this lab was to make sure each of these inputs controls each of these outputs, and additional to that we had to use VHDL to code in these 2 buttons to affect the 3rd digit from the left to display a negative or a blank when the button is pressed. So we will go through each one of the inputs, and the inputs are in binary and the outputs are in hexadecimal. So the first input, I've inputted a 1 in binary and it outputs a 1 in hex. And then the second input is 1 in binary and output is 1 in hex. Input 1 in binary, 1 in hex, and then 1 in binary, and then 1 in hex. And this works for all the values up to F, which is there's F for that. Two, 3, 4. All the values work for each of the inputs. And when the button B, T, and C gets pressed, which is the middle button here, the 3rd digit should show a negative, and it does. And the button on top, which is B, T, and U, when pressed upon, should blank out the third most digit, and it does that too. So far the lab works perfectly. When both these buttons are pressed, it should blank out as it is coded like that. And that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.